Imagine this. An enemy launches a small drone worth just $500 toward a military base. A few years ago, was by firing an interceptor missile costing nearly $50,000. The drone was destroyed. The drone was destroyed. Now imagine the same drone approaching today. There is no missile launch, no explosion from a rocket leaving its launcher, no loud siren announcing an interceptor in flight.
Instead, an invisible beam of light travels at the speed of light, locking onto the drone for just a few seconds. The drone suddenly catches fire, loses control, and falls from the sky.
The cost? Just a few dollars worth of electricity. This is Iron Beam, Israel's newest directed energy weapon, and one of the biggest revolutions in air defense technology. Unlike traditional air defense systems that rely on expensive interceptor missiles, Iron Beam uses mortars and other short-range aerial before they reach their targets. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, it represents a new generation of warfare, where electricity replaces explosives. But how can a beam of light destroy a flying missile? The answer lies in a principle most of us have seen since childhood. Remember using a magnifying glass to focus sunlight onto a sheet of paper? The sunlight itself never burned the paper because its energy was spread over a wide area. But when the magnifying glass concentrated that same light onto one tiny spot, the temperature rose so high that the paper caught fire. The light didn't become stronger. Iron Beam works on exactly the same principle, but on an entirely different scale. Instead of sunlight, it uses an incredibly powerful military laser. Instead of paper, it targets a rocket, drone, or mortar shell. And instead of taking several seconds under the sun, it delivers an enormous amount of energy to a single point almost instantly. The process begins the moment enemy threats are detected. Powerful radar systems continuously scan the sky. As soon as a rocket or drone is, the radar identifies its position, speed, and direction. As soon as a rocket or drone is launched, the radar identifies its position, speed, and direction. Within moments, advanced computers calculate the object's exact flight path and point the laser with extraordinary precision. Once locked, the high-energy laser remains focused on one tiny section of the target, often a wing, guidance system, fuel compartment, or structural weak point. For approximately 4 to 5 seconds, the laser pours intense heat into that single spot. The temperature rises so rapidly that metal begins to melt, electronics fail, fuel ignites, or the structure collapses. Before the incoming threat can reach its target, it breaks apart in mid-air. Consider a simple example. Suppose an enemy launches a cheap drone costing around $500. Using Israel's older Iron Dome system, the military would likely fire a Tamir interceptor missile, costing roughly $50,000, to destroy it. The interception would be successful, but economically, the defender loses far more money than the attacker. Iron Beam changes that equation completely. Since the laser is powered by electricity rather than expensive missiles, each interception costs only about $2 to $5, making it practical even against large swarms of inexpensive drones. This dramatically reduces the financial burden of defending against modern aerial threats. Another major advantage is speed. A laser travels at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, the speed of light. Unlike missiles, which require several seconds to travel toward their target, the laser reaches its destination almost instantly after firing. The enemy has virtually no time to react. Iron Beam also offers what military experts call an infinite magazine. Traditional missile defense systems carry a limited number of interceptor missiles. Once those missiles are fired, launchers must be reloaded, a process that takes valuable time during combat. Iron Beam doesn't face this problem. The laser is also silent and invisible. Operating primarily in the infrared spectrum, it cannot be seen by the naked eye. However, despite its revolutionary capabilities, Iron Beam is not a perfect weapon. Like any advanced technology, it has important limitations. Its biggest weakness is weather.
Heavy rain, thick fog, smoke, dust storms, or atmospheric moisture can scatter or absorb laser energy before it reaches its target.
Under such conditions, the laser becomes less effective or may fail altogether. Another limitation is range. Iron beam is designed primarily to destroy short-range threats, such as rockets, drones, artillery shells, and mortars. It is not intended to intercept long-range ballistic missiles or intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs. Those threats still require conventional missile defense systems, such as Iron Dome, David's Sling, or Arrow. Rather than replacing these systems, Iron Beam is designed to work alongside them as part of Israel's layered air defense network. In many ways, Iron Beam represents the future of warfare. For decades, militaries relied on bullets to destroy bullets and missiles to destroy missiles. Now, they are entering an era where light itself has become a weapon that is almost instantaneous, almost silent, exceptionally inexpensive, and powerful enough to change the economics of modern air defense forever.